Hi, a question we are regularly asked here at Xero is how do I show an overpayment or a payment on account if a client has overpaid? So let's find a bank transaction in the bank. There we go, we've got one here from Jacaranda. They've paid £2,000 and we want to have a look at what's on their account and see if they've overpaid. So I'm going to click on the button to find a match. I've got quite a few invoices here, so I'm going to filter these down a little bit. There we go. So the client has paid £2,000. I want to offset 750 against this outstanding invoice, but what do I then do with the remaining balance? If we scroll down just a little bit, you'll see the first window is find and select against matching transactions, but the second window allows us to create a new transaction that will deal with this difference of 1,250. So let's take a new transaction. We're going to click on the receive money button, and I've got three options here. I can post this as a direct payment, and you can see this is a direct payment, and if I do that I have to post it to an account code. I can post it as a prepayment, which technically is what this is. It's a prepayment of something else, but it requires me to post it again to an expense code in the profit and loss or the balance sheet. So I could put it in the balance sheet as a deposit, but that won't show it on the client's account, the client account in Xero. So what we actually want to do is post it as an overpayment. And here I normally put the payment on account or deposit or overpayment, whatever seems right for the circumstances. And Xero will automatically account for the difference that has been posted, or the difference that's been paid, which is the £1,250 here. And I'm going to save that transaction. So I've now got £750 matched against an invoice and £1,250 as an overpayment. So that balances. So I'm going to reconcile that in Xero to clear the account. Now, if I pop up here into contacts and look at my suppliers or customers, it's actually customers I want in this case. And if I look at Jacaranda Maple Systems, you can see that they owe a negative £1,250, so we owe them, so they've overpaid. So what you can see on the account is the invoice of £750 that's been paid, and this payment on account sitting there waiting to be offset against future invoices. Now, exactly the same process can be applied to suppliers. So whether it's you overpaying a supplier and you want it to be held on account, or whether it's a client overpaying you to be held on account, I would always use the overpayment function in the bank rec.